Welcome to day 27 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In today's tutorial, we'll be tackling a programming problem where we're given m numbers as input. Our task is to create a list and add the m numbers to it, then print the resulting list. Input. The first line of input is an integer m. The next m lines each contain an integer output. The output should be in the list format. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. This problem may seem straightforward, but it's a great opportunity to practice working with lists and handling input data dynamically. Plus, mastering this skill will come in handy for a wide range of coding tasks in the future. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coding challenges, tutorials, and programming content. Join our coding community as we continue our journey to master Python together. Let's dive in.